Hey Alex, how you doing? Thank you very much for clicking in this video. My name is Lucas and I was talking with Michael about this short video of three little things that are found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start bidding large remodel and Miramar kitchen and bath. These guys, when you look for San Diego kitchen remodel, are the guys that pop up at the very first results on Google, right here and right here. And by implementing these three little things that I'm gonna tell you about, you could easily beat them and secure those first two spots on the Google results. First of all, I wanna maybe you wonder why I made this video for you. Uh, it's because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business and customers, and so they don't have time to learn how to use the internet, bring them more business. And also, when it comes to hire somebody, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't have the experience. So I like to make these educational videos for business owners so they can see this information and learn it. And some of them they like to take it and implement it themselves, but some of them they contact me and they have me doing it for them. So either option is good for me. I just do this because I love to help. And yeah, if you like what you see, just give me a call back and we can chat. Jumping with the video, I want to tell you about the three main things that Google uses to rank a website at the very top. Those are content, backlinks, and citation. First of all, I gotta say that I love your website. You have a lot of content and a lot of pictures already, which is something great. Not all the people has that already. So if I see your content here and I paste it on the word counter, I see that you have about 2,500 words. Usually Google, on the websites that they rank at the very top, they like to see about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content. And by content, I mean not just the text, also the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind the pictures. As you see here, Miramar Kitchen and Bath has 1,500 words of, large remodel had 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, and Miramar Kitchen and Bath has 367. So by that matter, you are beating them on amount of content. The only issue here is that your content is not as keyword rich and as keyword oriented. Okay, so you will need to make some research on those keywords, like for example, San Diego kitchen remodel and similar terms that people are looking up the most in Google, and just drop them several times throughout that 2,000 words of content. So when they look it up, Google can find your website and show it to them. Second thing I want to tell you about is backlinks. A backlink is basically another website putting a link that when somebody clicks in it, drives the traffic back to your site over here. That, as you can imagine, works a little bit like a popularity contest. The more, the better. But also, it's not the same as a backlink from a website that talks about shoes or pizza. That from a backlink from a website that is another remodeling company or construction company. On the eyes of Google, is way more powerful when a relevant website about your same niche or your same topic vouches for you. So you want to get those kind of backlinks because you can need less and you will rank higher because they're more powerful. With those two things, you'll be ranking up here in no time. Then, how you check backlinks? You can go here. We use the tool Ahrefs. I drop your website here and I can see that you have 16 referring domains. This means that you have 16 websites out there that has somewhere in the website a link back to your site. If you see large remodel, they have 74 really strong backlinks. So these guys are just skyrocketing over here to the very top. They'll probably be at the top in no time. Right now, if you go to Miramar Kitchen over here, Kitchen and Bath, you see that they have 38. These 38 are really, really strong. That's why it keeps them in the high top position with very low content, but also because their main website of the kitchen remodels, if you go to there, they have a crazy amount of content, okay? So that's why they get so much traffic, and that's why they are at the very top. But as I said, if you build a strong backlink profile that you can start doing as simple as by going to these guys' referring domains list and just copy them. Okay? You go to all these websites, make an account and drop a link to your website in them. So if all these links are good to rank them, they're good to rank you as well. Okay? So then you do that and add some extra ones. And last thing I want to tell you about is how you get here. Here is all about citations. You get more citations than your competition, you get the highest spot in the Google Map Pack. And this is basically free. What you need to do is list your business information in several directories all throughout the web. And that's basically what a citation is. And the directories are things like yellow pages, white pages, Facebook, Yelp, Angie's List, etc., etc. Okay, so in this spot in particular, I would say add at least 100 more than your competition. So let's say you use a tool to check and you have 150. I would maybe put around 300. Okay. And the easiest way, as same as with the backlinks, you copy the ones they have, plus you add some extra on top. That said, a little recap. You need 2,000 words of keyword-rich content. You already have a lot of content, so I would just make some research on the keywords and make it keyword-oriented. Then I will make sure that you build a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing it by copying your competition and then adding some more on top. And also the citations that you can check the same with the backlinks, how many they have, copy them, and then add some at least 100 on top. So if you like what I just told you, and you feel free to take all this free education and implement it yourself. But if you want me to help you get in there or doing it for you, don't hesitate to contact me on my phone number or my email, and I'll be more than happy to help you. The only thing I ask, if you don't mind, is give me a little bit of feedback on this video. Give me a little bit of feedback in this video because that'll help me tremendously. Thank you.